Hello, my name's Diana Cappello, and I'm a sales engineering manager at Clary, here to show you a demo today of how we can help you with your retention and growth of your customer base. We know this is really important because it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than to renew or grow an existing one. So CSMs, account managers, you have a really important job. And executives and sales operations, you're going to love what I'm about to show you because this is going to take some of the reporting headaches off of your plate. Now, this is the account and opportunity page from Clary. This is where you can see all of the opportunities from Salesforce and all of their fields, plus our AI and our activity tracking. Hugely beneficial for reps and managers for updating opportunities and coaching. But what about CSMs? You don't own opportunities in Salesforce, so finding these kinds of views can be very challenging, and it's labor intensive to build all those custom reports and views. That's why Clary has custom owner mode. So if you have your name in a field on the opportunity, or on the opportunity team, or on a split, we make it really easy for you to just come here with one click, find your deals. And you can update your notes. Good call today, save that, and it updates Salesforce. Reps report to us, they save 1 to 2 hours a week. CSMs, you're gonna get the same benefit. And you're also gonna love that we automatically track and log all of your activity so that a deal that is coming up, you can see whether or not the activity is telling you they're in the buying mode. There's lots of back and forth between you two of email here. There's files like possibly you're renegotiating a new SOW, and there's tons of meetings happening regularly. This is a healthy deal. It looks like this expansion deal will close. This is an example of the opposite. They've ghosted us the last few weeks, not a peep. So this is one that I would take out of my forecast. Yes, I said it. Account managers, you get to forecast. CSMs, this might be new to you, but you get to forecast, and here's how. Clary is so flexible in its forecasting views. So Jason White here is the account manager, and he has a target to hit. We have 30 million in renewals out there this quarter, and we want to close them all. So his team can come in here and submit a number, and they say, I'm feeling good, and here's why. Give that a save, and that's going to be logged in their weekly forecast. We can also inform you so you make the best, most accurate call. Here at Clary, we categorize accounts as red, yellow, green. You might use Gainsight. It doesn't matter. We can help you by showing you what renewals are out there on accounts that are at risk or that are healthy. And account managers, you don't just renew. That'd be boring. You upsell. So similarly, you have a target and a forecast for your upsell. That's not net retention though. Net retention is a buzzword, but it's really important. It's how much you're gonna renew plus how much you're gonna upsell minus how much you're gonna churn. So at Clary, what we do that's unique that a lot of our customers are picking up on now is the CSMs show the other side of that coin. Same opportunities, but the CSMs are gonna say of the renewals this quarter, what do they think might not renew? So they have a churn budget. You wanna stay well below that budget. So far, we're good at 65% below that budget, but we'll tell you how much of that renewal is at risk. And so you can compare and contrast between your AMs and your CSMs to come up with the truth for your net retention. Dashboards is a great place to do that. We'll show you an overview of what your churn forecast is compared to your upsell forecast. We'll show you key metrics across the top, like how many red renewals are still open and how many you've closed so far. And my favorite is the magic quadrant, showing you of all of your renewals out there, which ones are the biggest and most important and which ones have healthy activity or not. Speaking of activity, account managers, you are going to love our account engagement view. This is a game changer. That first page was all about opportunities. This page is all about accounts. These are the accounts you're responsible for. And if you're like any AM I know, you probably have more accounts than you can keep track of. So Clary will make it really easy for you to find the ones you care about, sort them, prioritize them, and then show you how many meetings you've had, who you have coming up, and who you haven't spoken to yet. You can't do that in Salesforce, I guarantee you. So I'd love to show you more. This is a sample of how we can help your renewal and your upsell. Contact us for a deep dive demo to see more.